Guys, first of all, check out how the Ironman arm is looking. Today we're going to test our rocket launcher. Right now we're working on the rocket that will be attached to it. Before mounting it on the arm, we're going to test it on the ground because safety is our top priority. We don't have professional protective gear yet, so we'll stay at a safe distance during the test. As you can see, we've secured the launcher into the ground. Now it's time to ignite the rocket. The rocket is lit and ready for launch. Guys, please support the channel so I can complete the full Ironman suit. Listen to that sound. The blast was really powerful, but because the launcher was fixed into the ground, it couldn't take off. No problem. Let's try again. This time we'll use a bottle as a launch stand so it can launch more freely. The rocket is ignited once again. Let's see if this launch is successful. Wow, did you see that? It went much higher before bursting in the air. Guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. Today we tested it safely on the ground. In the next part, we'll continue improving the project and share more tests. See you in the next video.
Would like to take notes while I take totes of the marijuana smoke. Oh, you wanna choke? Gun smoke, gun smoke.